Yeah, man, we know definitely Liberation Caller, you know, as the Zion and Caller. Yeah, that is in the gates of Zion, you know. So when you reach gates of Zion, where Father said to meet him, well, you have the rainbow right there too, you know, as an entrance. As a far as last year, you know. Yeah, man, we give thanks to you. Yeah, man, there's a lot happening, you know. There's a lot happening. Yeah, we have some cucumbers coming right there, cucumbers coming right there. Yeah, we just throwing seeds there, you know, and keeping it alive. So that's why we have all that many. And that's what we using it. We're still planting in that spot too, because that's an open area where we had a nice yard set up with covering, you know, and we're getting it ready for the tourist business, tourist season, where we had our wood carvings and everything else. But she came, you know, and washed us out. So that's where you find all the dirt there. So it's still banana trees we putting together. Yeah, putting banana trees together, getting that ready. As you can see, all the debris right over there. Like you said, we're doing a little cleaning for the time. Taking out woods and get the backhoe to come and, you know, pull out the debris for us too. But everything's taking time, but we give that thanks for life. The debris came in so fast, my boy. I mean, I had eyes to detect that. And time you do the show, the whole area was already blocked out already, and water was already coming in, but we all was inside there trying to look for escape. And yeah, my brother Aldi, my nephew, and his girlfriend, his mom, and my son, and Sylvester was there one time with his whole family, and after they left and went outside to go up the step before the debris had came in. And it's after we heard us screaming outside, we realized something happened. But all that time, we self had to be looking for escape in the cuisine. And it was dreadful. Rastafari name alone we call in order for us to have survived that thing there, my brother.
Yeah, man. Because with that now, water started falling downstairs, you know, coming through downstairs, and the doors were closed because of the pressure of the wind. And then you had another object blocking the other side of the door. You could see it right here. Big logs from the river, you know, alongside the house. And that's what protected us from the front. With the volume of water from the river coming down and the sea rising up, I mean, the whole yard was filled with water, you know. The whole yard was filled with water, so we really had to find our escape through a side door, you know, and our escape, we got through our escape. But then with that now, we got sad news. We got one and two others we could not find. So we all know that they were washed out. But in the time of need, we give thanks to Rastafari, for he had his hands over us.
Rasta.
Therapy by planting a tree. Yeah, planting a tree, you know. So that was very good. Yeah, a tree. Planting a tree.
Give thanks and praise.
Never leaving God or leave us.
Yeah man, we give thanks, still, you know.
Yeah, what happened?
We just feeling it out, you know. Yeah, there's a reason for it.